G'day everybody, it's Gregory from Supertech Electronics, and today we're going to remove a DVD stacker from a Mercedes S350. Now the tools you'll need today are a torque 20 screwdriver, just a tiny little flat screwdriver, one plastic spudger and a clean cloth. Alright, let's get started. So we're going to lay this down here to give that a just to protect the dashboard. And the first part we're going to remove is this part here. So we're going to get our spudger in there. It's held in by some metal clips, just like that. And that we can just put aside for the time being. And that will expose two screws down the bottom. Once again, torque 20, you'll need to remove those. And then we're going to go up to the top, and this is where we're going to use our small flat. We're just going to push in there, and that's going to expose a screw. And there's one exactly the same the other side, just like that. And we're going to remove those screws, and we'll put them aside. Now this whole piece will come out, just like that. We can put that aside. And that will expose 4 screws holding the stereo in. Now they are capture screws, so you'll loosen them to a point where they'll just spin. They won't actually come fully out. And you'll do that to all 4 of them. And we've already loosened ours. Once you've done that, the whole stereo will pull out, just like that. And it will be held in with 2 cables. Take them out and send that unit off to Supertech Electronics for repair.